Hello and welcome to the new episode of Thought on Education by College Dunya. Hello, ma'am. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, thank you so much for this opportunity. I'm Poonam Punia and I hail from Punjab but married in Jaipur, and I've been a tutor for past 13 years. And here in Sri Balaji Shiksha Samiti, I'm head of personality development cell and assistant professor of English.
Great, ma'am. Can you please tell your education background?
Education background, well, I did my schooling from Sacred Heart Convent School, Fazilka, and then I completed my graduation from GCT Sector 11, Chandigarh, and I did the English honors as well from there, and I completed my B.Ed from Punjab itself, and then I got married, and I completed my masters in English from ICT Jaipur, and later on I completed my MA from Balaji Teachers Training College itself, where
Okay.
I'm teaching
Yeah.
currently.
Yeah.
And currently I'm pursuing PhD as well.
Okay, ma'am. That's actually great. And, ma'am, can you please tell us what is leadership quality? And according to you, what is leadership in your style?
So, see, according to me, leadership, number one, believe in yourself. We
Of
don't
course.
need validation from anyone.
Anyone,
You know,
right.
whether I'm doing it right or wrong. So be confident. Believe in yourself. Okay,
ma'am.
a good leader, first of all, he or she need to believe in oneself. Only then he can lead others.
Great, great.
Okay,
Yeah.
and again, give others, chance to speak. Listen to others.
Yeah,
Respect, love. You should have respect and love for everyone.
great. And, ma'am, according to you, what are the courses which Sri Balaji provides for the students?
So not according to me, actually.
Yeah.
The courses that we have are, number one, we have, like, it's a Balaji Shiksha Samiti, and the colleges we have here are Sri Balaji College of Engineering and Technology, and then we have Pharma College, we have PG Mahavidyalaya, in which we have BCA, BCom, and then we have teachers training as well. And in Balaji Shiksha Samiti itself, we have one school, not one, actually two schools. One is CBSE, that is Jia Global Academy, and the RBSE one is Nima Devi Public School.
Great, ma'am. That's great. And, ma'am, can you please tell us what is communication and how communication is important according to you?
Oh, lovely. As I'm from English background, I feel like communication itself means, to communicate, to commune, means to share. Okay, so again, it's a quality. If you are a good communicator, like half of your task is already done.
Of course,
Right?
right,
So
right.
communication plays a great role in whatever you do. Okay, so it's definitely important.
Great, ma'am. And, ma'am, what are the facilities which Sri Balaji provide for the students?
So, okay, talking of the facilities, in Balaji itself, I've been working for more than 10 years, firstly. So, talking of the facilities, we have amazing, colleges and schools, definitely. And I feel like this is one of the, it's a largest institute in Jaipur. One among the, I would rather say, I don't know which one is at the top.
Yeah.
So we have hostel facilities, amazing hostel for girls and boys. We have transport facilities. We have amazing food in mess.
Of course.
And the libraries and smart rooms. So all the facilities.
Great, ma'am. And, ma'am, can you please tell, according to you, which education system is the best, Indian or the foreign?
Okay, so I want say rather Indian or foreign. I feel both.
Both,
We
yeah,
should have
equally.
an open mind.
Yeah, and it's
let's-
equal.
Yeah,
Equal, right. That's great. Ma'am, can you please give a short message for the students watching this interview of yours?
So I would like to say, don't compare yourself with others. Be like the sun, the moon, and then just shine like a star when it's your turn.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's great. And, ma'am, thank you so much for your precious time with College Dunya today. Thank you so much.
Thank you.